In this video, I'm gonna teach you where we can take a trade on Bitcoin and other top coins to make money, because at this moment there is really significant opportunities for a profit. Regarding BTC, at this moment we have continuation of this downward trend. At this moment there is no major trading shift, no major volumes that enter the price. That's a reason why you need to follow. Remember a golden trend rule. Follow the trend until it breaks, because you never know when actual breakout happens, and no one knows where actual breakout happens. That's the reason why at this moment we have this beautiful downward structure that go on. We have this low volume node which played out as a key resistance, plus as you can see we have previous value which at this moment it is a key resistance for Bitcoin. For me, what's really important at this moment, I will take short if price retests this key area 69,960. I already sent a plan to our community. What would be my entry? Let me show it to you. As you can see, I shared this plan to my community. My major place where I would like to take short 66,916, stop loss 69,281, and first target 59, and major target 50,230. Why all of this, and what would be my additional confirmations? Remember, I will take trade when I will see some local confirmation. What do we call as a local confirmation? It is open interest absorption, significant volume spike, big delta absorption, anything that proved to us that significant players, market makers, build some positions in those areas. Example for you, one of the best example of open interest confirmation for your trade, it is price reaches, you can see a crucial area, and what happens? Massive open interest increase. At that moment, open interest on Binance and Bybit increased by nearly 10%, 37 million contracts. If you multiply with average price, it's approximately 160 mil worth of position entered in this tiny area. And that's the best confirmation that some big guys create significant bets and you need to follow them. That's why for BTC at this moment, my friend, once more, if there would be a local confirmation, volume spike, delta absorption, anything like that, we will use it as opportunity for short. Regarding any long without clear structure break, there is no reason at this moment to look for any long structure break or price accelerate with massive volume spike. That would be only reasons to look for a long. At this moment, once more, I ask you to push like, subscribe, because I create best analysis for you. That's the best. Thank you from your side. The next one, Worldcoin. At this moment, we have a short idea on Worldcoin, which going on. Regarding Worldcoin, many days ago, I sent a signal inside our community, as you can see, to take a beautiful short. It was exactly here. You can see my plan on Worldcoin. I shared inside our community on Friday. In the case of VWAP retest, take short, such stop loss, take profit. And at this moment, you can see that Worldcoin did perfect retest of that key zone. And at this moment, honestly, it is the best time to reduce your risk and even move stop loss into break even, because honestly, there is no actual reason to keep your trade, because there was already some significant stop loss hunt, and with big chance price will go down. Before I tell you how it's better to close your positions, remind you that all of you can get access to our community, where I share signals, trading plans on daily basis with our trades. You can see we trade for long, short. Additionally, my community, my team also share signals where we take trades. What you need to do: below this video, there would be this link, get access to our crypto indicators. Also, you get access to our club and our crypto indicators, such as open interest aggregated, volume aggregated, delta aggregated. What you do, you press this link, and based on this, you start this Telegram bot, and after that, there would be all details. And additionally, you can fill this form, and with your name, email, and phone number with international standard if you don't use a Telegram. Join our community because at this moment, once more, there's a way how you can do it for free. Coming back to Worldcoin, what was the reason why I sent that signal to our community and why I think there's a significant chance for Worldcoin to take this, as you can see, a low volume node. From my point of view, big probability that price would take it before any significant move. Main reason because of this significant spot volume entered. You can see spot selling started, and price is below this local VWAP. Aggressive spot seller started to appear. That's the reason why at this moment I think there could be some local drop. Only we will become bullish again only if price, there would be no drop, start squeeze up and break above VWAP. Only that would be for me a signal that all of that volume absorbed and price would go on. Additionally, a few words regarding next coins. It is such as a Dogecoin. Dogecoin, my friends, continue dropping. On Dogecoin, the most important area for potential short is around this key zone. Why this key zone is important for us? Because it is a key resistant, plus really close to anchored VWAP. Trend is down. If there would be any retest, it will be possible to take a short trade. And the last coin for today, it is a Solana, because at this moment on Solana, as you can see, also massive open interest increase to 0.5 mil worth of position, or 12%, which is a lot. And what that means is that there could be some significant move. I already sent, as you can see, a trading plan inside our community. You can see Worldcoin, Solana. I wrote about it and wrote to our community where would be the best place to take a trade. Once more, there is a chance how you can get access even for free. Just open the Telegram bot, get all details. At this moment, Solana is below VWAP. That's the reason why our priority is for short. What would be the best entry? Honestly, it would be better if open interest continue rising, price stay in a range, there's some stop loss hunt, and after structure break, we take short. That would be the safest option. But main problem of that safest option is that sometimes it does not deliver. That's why at this moment you can take aggressive short, even right now, with stop loss around this 0.5 VWAP deviation. If price go on around this low, it would be wise to close part of your position to be risk-free. And that's all for today, my friend. Once more, push like, subscribe, and right now I prepared for you a beautiful video where I showed to you how together with open interest we made 3,000 USD on Dogecoin. It is maybe one of the greatest example how open interest will help you become profitable in the future. Have a nice day.